Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 9500 peak-watt dual-fuel home backup portable generator is a robust solution for anyone in need of reliable power during outages or while enjoying outdoor activities. This generator stands out with its dual-fuel capability, allowing you to use either gasoline or propane, providing flexibility based on availability and preference. Starting with its performance, the generator boasts an impressive 9,500 peak watts and 8,500 running watts, which is more than sufficient to power essential appliances in your home during emergencies. The electric start feature adds a level of convenience not often found in generators of this class. With just a push of a button, you can get it running without the hassle of manual pull starts. This is particularly beneficial for users who may not be physically able to pull a starter cord, making it accessible to a broader range of people. In terms of design, the Westinghouse generator is sturdy yet portable. It features a durable frame with a compact design, making it easy to transport. The wheels are robust and make maneuvering the unit a breeze, even on uneven terrain. The control panel is user-friendly, with clearly labeled outlets, including multiple 120V and a 120/240V twist-lock outlet, allowing you to connect various devices confidently. Noise level is another critical aspect, and the Westinghouse generator operates relatively quietly compared to other models in its category. This is a significant advantage for residential use, as it minimizes disruption during nighttime use or when having neighbors nearby. One of the downsides is its weight. At around 200 pounds, it may require some effort to move around, although the wheels help mitigate this issue. Additionally, while dual-fuel capability is a highlight, it can complicate the setup for users unfamiliar with such systems. Overall, the Westinghouse 9500 peak-watt dual-fuel generator strikes an impressive balance between power, convenience, and portability, making it an excellent choice for both home backup and outdoor adventures.